Well, I'm onto the bodywork now. Right, I'll put my hand up and I'll say I was never good at this sort of filling and painting and all that kind of shit. But however, I've done it. As you can see, I filled in the back panel. What I did was buffed it right down. Filled it, sanded it, smoothed it as best I could. It's not perfect, not 100% perfect anyway, but sanded it as best I could, filled it, and it looked alright, it looked smooth. Painted it, lacquered it, messed it up, buffed it again, repainted it, left it for a few days. So now I've sanded it down with wet and dry paper because the paintwork was a wee bit sort of orange peely. And I'm now buffing it with some cut to cut into the paintwork to smooth it off and give it a wee bit of a brighten, and we'll see what that has done. That is brought up quite nice. I'll need to use my wee drill bit to get into the likes of there, but as you can see, it's not too bad. Hello, so just in case you're wondering what I've been up to, we've been getting this for, we straightened the radiator out as best we can.
That's it, let the people hear your lovely voice.
Yes, yes. So the Phaser 600, the FZ6, whatever you want to call it, the radiator was bent in and the fan was jammed. So I've straightened that out, taken the fan off. I'll make a better job of that yet, that's now. We got it started, we run it. It got up to about 99 degrees, 100 degrees, and the fan came on and it cooled way down again. So I know that is working. Now you heard it running, it's not as bad as what I thought it was. So I think it is just the chain tensioner in here. So what I'm going to do is get another one of these on order, put it in, try it, and if that works, yes, I know the bike's going to work. So then I can work on the rest of the bike, you know, getting things on it like the peg that's broken off, and I'm just doing all the work to it. The other thing is on the head here. As you can see, the rocker cover got a chip out of it, and there's a wee chip in the head as well, and the oil just dribbles. You can see it's been dribbling down. It just dribbles out a wee bit.
Getting on the exhaust.
Yeah, it's onto the exhaust and it stinks. So because the engine sounds okay, what I've got is I've got my welder and I've got aluminium wire for welding. Do you think it'll work?
Oh, it's good, Joe. Good chance. Very good chance.
Give it a try.
Aluminium on aluminium, can't go wrong.
Yeah. So I'll get my wee welder and I'll see if I can build it up on the block. On the head I should say, build it up and then just file it off, see if that works, and I might try the same with the rocker cover. If not, you know what, I'll just get another head and rocker cover. It's no great hassle.
It won't be too much.
It won't be too much. Bits like this, there's all this which has been bent back a wee bit, so with this frame, so that'll need to come off and be straightened before it's put back on, because it's bent. You can see here it's bent back and the brake pedal's just tapping against it, plus that's jiggered. I'll need to get another shim in there.
Whatever they hit it well.
Well, they certainly did. I mean, I don't know what they hit, but by Christ.
They bloody hit it good.
Yeah. So the front, the dashboard's squint because all this frame's twisted. Luckily the forks are okay, so we're laughing.
Yep.
So what I'll do is I'll take all this gubbins off of here, and I might, I don't know, but I might have an FZ1 at the auctions.
Maybe.
It's a complete write-off.
Fingers crossed.
And if I can get that, it's like naked. So I'll put the headlight assembly on that, and I'll maybe even get the tank off it. I think the tank will fit on this. I'm not 100%.
It should.
Yeah, and then the rest of it I can just maybe get the handlebars off it. And the
Might take
controls.
some gajigging.
Yeah, yeah, but I'm sure we can do it. We'll find a way to do it.
That's it.
Look a lot better.
And you'll get your foot pedals off of that.
Yeah.
Everything, mate. You'll be sorted.
That's right. So that's it with the FZ6. That's an update on that. Mick's finished his bike, as you know, so we're
Yep.
just waiting on a buyer coming. Anybody that's
That's right.
going to buy it?
We'll get this out of you in the next week or so, and
Yeah.
it'll be gone, mate.
Yeah.
Then we'll be on to new and better bikes.
That's right.
Who knows
That's
what's
right.
next?
The quicker you get rid of a bike, the quicker we can get another one to replace
Exactly.
it to work on.
Nothing better than getting a new broken bike.
Yes, yes.
Fixed bikes are no fun.
Yeah, that's right. So the scooter, the scooter's running fine, but it's needing a good clean. I've parked it up here, you can't see it properly, but I've done all this side, filled, painted, sanded, buffed. It's looking alright, but the front mudguard, I completely fucked it, as you will see, because I went to rub it down, and instead of using my stuff to rub it down and take the contaminants off it, I went and used the wrong stuff.
Yeah.
And all the bloody paint melted as soon as I painted it on. You can see how rough it is here.
He used the stuff that I bought to clean the paint off my
Yeah.
hands when I was painting.
That's right. So what I'll do is, when it's dried off tomorrow, what I'll do is I'll get the sandpaper, sand it all down again until it's smooth, and then I'll give it another few coatings and leave it a couple of days, and then get it sanded with a nice 2000, 3000 grade paper, get it buffed up, some cut and paste on it.
Get it
and
cleaned up, mate.
Yeah.
Should be beautiful.
It'll be as good as new. I've moved the Kawasaki in a bit because that's going to be after the FZ. And as with the Kawasaki, it just needs a complete strip down. I mean, really, a complete strip
Yep.
down.
Fender's cleaned
And
up.
rebuilt up. I mean, a 30-year-old bike, normally you just show something like that in the tip, but it's a classic now.
That's
mean, you try buying a 30-year-old.
Yeah, not many.
ZZ
Not, you
up.
can't buy many bikes on Club Ridge already, so
That's right.
you got to wait a
That's
while
right.
these days.
Yeah. So that's going to be a good one. I'm going to have to strip everything off of that, all the fairings off it, fix the fairings, fill it, sand it, paint it a new colour, paint the tanks.
Well,
and
we're not
everything.
sticking with pink. You're going away from pink.
No.
I think that's quite lovely. Matches
No.
your eyes.
Do you think? Yeah. Nah, I'll maybe go for a nice, just do it all black, maybe with red lines on it or something, and
Beautiful.
I'm going to recover the seat in black, so. And the tank will need to all be done and get the decals, but that's another job.
That's right. Another day.
Job. Yeah, yeah. And then I've still got the old KTM over there.
Yeah.
That's coming up for its 40,000k.
Yep.
Since I've not been at work, it's hardly been used, so I've not been clocking the Ks up. But that's got a 40,000k coming up, and I've got. What have I got for it? I've got Nobly tyres to put on it, and
That's
I've
right,
got
yeah,
brake
yeah.
discs for the front and pads and everything.
Mixed terrain. Yep.
yeah.
You're going to be able to go anywhere, mate.
Yeah,
Nothing will
yeah,
stop you
that's
anymore.
Right, that's right. So that's all coming up on the channel.
Yep. Not just that. Sam's Captiva will need a service, so we'll get that around here.
Yeah, that's right.
And so will that bugger of a Ranger. So
Yeah, that's Mick's Ranger Ford.
yep.
That's a cool machine.
That is a good beast.
Yeah, it looks angry.
It does all the time.
So anyway, so that's it for just now. But this is going to be the next project, is the phaser. Try and get that done up. If I can get the tension on that, quietens the chain down. Even if it takes a new kit, I'll do that and get it quietened
Should
down.
be a dream, mate.
Yeah, I think it'll be okay.
So make sure you like and subscribe and share and all those other buttons
That's
down
right,
here and
down
up there,
here.
and
Wherever, aye,
so you can stick along with the journey and watch us work on these buggers.
that's right. And I'll see you all later. Bye just now.
Here, root.